Hi, welcome to this sunny Friday. I've been busy. I got a challenge from a YouTuber. I will put her YouTube channel in the description below. She asked me if I could try to do a custom from the Handmaid's Tale. So, this is what I've been up to today. And this is the dress from the Handmaid Tales. It is not exact the same. It's inspiration of the dresses and I made a pattern and I did this. It's a sweater model and a skirt with high waist. It's closed in the back with 2 press buttons, and I have the bonnet. Actually, it does not have any strings attached to it. It just goes on like this. And further on this weekend, I will make a cloak to put outside of this dress. Haven't decided what fabric I want to use for it. So I have to think a little bit more about what kind of fabric I want to use. So I want to remember everybody of the giveaway. It's the 200 subscribers giveaway. And the only thing you have to do is to subscribe, comment and like the subscription giveaway video I made. I have it in the end of this video. I will have a link for it. So I wish you all a nice Friday and a great weekend. Until I be back next time.